Hello dear friends. Nepal Rastra Bank exam conducted an exam on 30 Baishak 2080. This is first paper question. I collected both subjective question of 70 marks and objective questions of 30 marks with solution. Hope this content will help you and you will be satisfied by this video. Like and share this video with more friends and grow together. Thank you friends. Now let's focus on question. Subject Information Technology 2. Section A 35 marks. 1. Explain the concept of virtual machines in programming languages. How do they contribute to code executing efficiency? Describe. 5. 2. Write a program to implement insertion sort. 3. With suitable example, discuss the Depth First Traversal (DFT) and Breadth First Traversal (BFT). 4. What is meant by Turing Machines and what are its components? Describe in brief the types variant of Turing Machines. 5. Explain how loop optimizations are different from local optimizations. 6. How does the object-oriented programming differ from structured programming? With example, explain the multiple inheritance and function overloading in OOP. Also, list the operators which cannot be overloaded. Section B of 40 marks. 7. Describe the concept of prototyping in system analysis and design. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of using prototyping as a development methodology. 8. How is risk-driven project management approach benefited from involvement of stakeholders? Illustrate. Devise to test cases each of unit testing and integration testing for a user login system. 9. Explain the role of DSS for better performance of any organization. 10. What is raster scan display? Explain sweep, octree and boundary representations for solid modeling. 11. Compare between verification and validation. Also, explain with examples various types of testing help to ensure the quality of a software system. 12. Describe techniques for validating requirements such as review, walkthroughs, prototyping and validation testing. Identify the actors and draw a sequence diagram for the following sequence of events. Times the user browses the product catalog and selects a product to view its details. Times the product catalog retrieves the product information from the database and displays it to the user. Times the user adds the product to their shopping cart. Times the shopping cart updates the cart contents and displays the updated total. Times the user proceeds to checkout and confirms the order. Times the order processing system processes the order, generates an order ID and updates the order status. The end. This is all subjective questions of 70 marks. Let's jump to objective questions. Subject Information Technology 2. Objective time 30 minutes. Multiple choice. 1. Which of the following is not a segment of memory in Java? A. Stack segment. B. Heap segment. C. Code segment. D. Register segment. 2. Look at following code snippet in C and choose the correct answer. Int x is equal to 9. If x%2 is equal to 0. Print. The post increment is %d\n x++. If x%3 is equal to 0. Print. \n the predecrement is %dx. A. The post increment is 10c. The post increment is 9. B. The predecrement is 8d. The predecrement is 9. 3. Which type of virtualization allows multiple virtual machines to share the same operating system kernel? A. Full virtualization. C. Hosted virtualization. B. Para-virtualization. D. Containerization. 4. Which of the following is not the application of stack? A. Data transfer between two asynchronous processes. B. Compiler syntax analyzers. C. Tracking of local variables at runtime. D. Parentheses balancing program. 5. The maximum number of binary tree that can be formed with 3 unlabeled nodes is A. 1b 3. C. 4d 5. 6. Which of the following sorting algorithms follows the divide and conquer strategy? A. Bubble sort. B. Insertion sort. C. Merge sort. D. Selection sort. 7. Let A order AXB and B order CXD be two matrices, then if AB exists, the order of AB is A. AXDB BXC, C. AXBD CXD. 8. Let the set A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 2, 3, 4. Then the set A to B is A 1, 4, B 1, 2, 3, C 1, D 2, 3. 9. For any integer m is equal to 3, the series 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4m can be equivalent to A. m2 plus 3b m plus 1, C. mmd 3m2 plus 4. 10. The action of parsing the source program into proper syntactic classes is known as A. Interpretation, B. General syntax, C. Syntax analysis, D. Lexical analysis. 11. Which of the following is a part of compiler that takes as input a stream of characters and produces as output a stream of words along with their associated syntactic categories? A. Optimizer, B. Scanner, C. Parser, D. None of the above. 12. Which of the following is not a primary goal of code optimization in a compiler? A. Reduce the size of the generated code, B. Improve the readability of the generated code, C. Decrease the execution time of the program, D. Minimize the memory usage of the program. 13. Which of the following is not a diagram used in requirement analysis? A. Use case, C. State transition diagram, B. Entity relationship diagram, D. Activity diagram. 14. Coupling is a qualitative indication of the degree to which a module A. Can be written more compactly, B. Focuses on just one thing, C. Is able to complete its function in a timely manner, D. Is connected to other modules and the outside world. 15. Which of the following UML diagrams has a static view? A. Collaboration, B. Use case, C. State chart, D. Activity. 16. The ISO quality assurance standard that applies to software engineering is A. ISO 9000, B. ISO 9001, C. ISO 9002, D. ISO 27000. 17. Which of the following is not a type of software maintenance? A. Predictive, B. Corrective, C. Adaptive, D. Preventive. 18. Which of the following is not a phase of prototyping model? A. Quick design, C. Prototype refinement, B. Coding, D. Engineer product. 19. Which component of XML is used to represent hierarchical data in XML? A. Elements, C. Tags, B. Attributes, D. Entity reference. 20. What is the primary purpose of data warehousing in information systems? A. Real-time data processing, C. Historical data analysis, B. Transaction processing, D. Data encryption. 21. Which of the following are under data mining techniques? A. Association, array, classification, forecasting, clustering, B. Association, sequence, classification, forecasting, clustering, C. Association, index, classification, forecasting, clustering, D. Association, sort, classification, forecasting, clustering. 22. A knowledge-intensive computer program that captures the expertise of a human in limited domain of knowledge describes A. A virtual reality, B. A neural network, C. A decision support system, D. An expert system. 23. How many axes intersects with the projection plane in the 3-point perspective projection? A. 1B, 2, C. 3D. No axis intersects the projection plane. 24. Which scan conversion algorithm is particularly efficient for drawing circles? A. Bresenham's line algorithm, B. Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm, C. Flood fill algorithm, D. Midpoint circle algorithm. 25. Which of the following operations can be used to zoom in or out around any axis on a three-dimensional object from its original position? A. Rotation, B. Shearing, C. Scaling, D. Translation. The end. Thank you. This is all 25 meters CQ questions with solutions. Hope everyone likes it and thank you for watching. Stay connected, friends.